So plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, and this is your formula for plaster of Paris, CaSO4 half H2, that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay, so the formula of plaster of Paris is this, and the name of plaster of Paris came from the fact that it was first of all made by using gypsum, which was mainly found in Paris. That is why it was named as plaster of Paris. And initially, plaster of Paris was used for massive way in construction industries, but now it is used in many other things, which we will discuss in this video. First of all, how it is prepared. So basically, plaster of Paris is prepared from gypsum. This is your gypsum. Okay, CaSO4 2H2O. Okay, this is the formula for your gypsum. So it is produced by gypsum, and gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. That gypsum is calcium containing two molecules of water of crystallization. So when plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum to a temperature of about 100 degrees Celsius, or you can say 373 degree Kelvin, when gypsum is heated, then it loses its 3/4 of water molecule and forms plaster of Paris. Okay, so this is how the plaster of Paris is prepared by gypsum. Let's move to the properties of the plaster of Paris. So basically, plaster of Paris is white in color, that is, you can say it is a white powder. And plaster of Paris sets into hard mass with water. One more thing which you need to know is that when plaster of Paris is reacted with water, or a very small amount of water is added to it, then in that case it again changes into gypsum, and will again changes into a hard mass which is known as your gypsum. So it should be stored in moisture proof containers to avoid its conversion to the gypsum. So now the uses of plaster of Paris. First of all, it is used for making toys and also for fireproofing. Most of the times you must have seen in your houses also that plaster of Paris is used as a roofing material for our homes also. And in hospitals it is used for curing the fractured bones. So in curing the fractured bones also it is used. So it has medicinal purpose also. So these are the important points of plaster of Paris: properties and uses. Okay, how it is produced and its properties and uses. And one thing which you must know, that plaster of Paris gets converted again into gypsum in the presence of moisture. That is why it is stored in moisture proof container. Okay, so this is asked in concept based questions also many times in board exams. So you can, in that question you can give the reason that plaster of Paris changes into gypsum in contact of moisture. So that is why it is stored in moisture proof container, and for that you can also give a reaction for it, in which you can just reverse this reaction. Means this will be reacted with water and this will produce this gypsum. Okay.